E aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço, vamos lá. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade Discord, participem da Twitch. Bom, galera, hoje vai começar mais uma parte do Red Dead Redemption 2. Vai continuar aqui o modo campanha, o modo história. Na última parte nós parou, ó, Saint Denis. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui. Na última parte, nós estávamos fazendo a exploração, né? Aqui por volta de Saint Denis. Foi isso mesmo. Tava na parte de exploração. E agora nós vai continuar aqui e continuar a explorar esse mundo. Hoje nós vai fazer a continuação do modo história. Na casa do prefeito. Quer dizer, vai ter a festa de galo na casa do prefeito. Nós vai fazer uma missão com a Lady Jackson. Esperar o jogo carregar aqui. Nós tá no meio do jogo praticamente, né? Nós tá no capítulo 4. Bom, galera, e o pessoal que estiver vendo pela Twitch, meu canal principal no YouTube é Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, beleza? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Hoje, vamos entrar pro prosseguimento aqui no jogo. Esperar o jogo carregar, né? Óbvio. Vamos lá. O jogo tá carregando. Esperar aqui. Enquanto o jogo carrega. Ah, acordou aqui em Saint Denis. Onde nós estamos aqui? Meu Deus, onde que o jogo nos punhou aqui? Pera aí, canal. Pera aí. Nossa, atropelou uma pessoa. Já começando daquele jeito. Cara do canal, calma aí, ô.
Hey.
Calma aí, ô bangaré. Vamos conhecer aqui a estação de Saint Denis. Conhecer aqui as instalações. Né?
Oh my God.
Good morning, mister.
I see you there. Give me a minute, please. Good on you. Get a fresh start. Hmm? Yes?
A baita $30 de recompensa.
Well, hey, that's okay.
Morning, mister.
São 8 horas da manhã, hein? No episódio passado, galera, a gente conheceu o Sr. Black e o Sr. White. Yuyu, bangaré. Vamos lá.
Hey, mister, can you help me? Please? My damn horse died on me and my legs are hurting and I need to get home.
I
Taca
ain't in
essa
the
sapo.
mood to play chauffeur. Find someone else.
I knew it. Oh, the damn
Ai, caçaçada, não tem tempo pra isso, não.
Go. Hold up. Who is it? It's me.
Sou eu, Charles.
Easy there.
Cara, eu vou trocar de roupa, só ficar com essa roupa.
Well, can't sit here forever.
Here he is. Worst pimp in the history of the world.
Don't start this.
Morning.
E aí, garoto?
I didn't see you there, Jack.
Sai daí, Jack.
Good morning, Arthur. Hey.
Vamos ver que roupa tem aqui. Vamos usar uma roupa diferente no arco.
Hello.
Good morning, Arthur.
A Big tá
Working
trabalhando.
hard there.
Somebody's got to do it.
Always the martyr, ain't you?
Don't even start, Arthur.
I'm only kidding around.
I don't know why you still play this game.
Vou com meu chapéu original, né?
Well, I suppose I should move a bit.
Good morning, Arthur.
You ever think about going back to Mexico?
I can't. At least not for now. It's a long story.
I'd like to go there one day.
Ah, eu tenho a cabeça de urso.
Whiskey kind of morning. Yeah. How the hell are you still alive?
Yeah. Heard it all before.
All right.
E aí?
You okay?
Ah, que marcou, eu conheci no episódio passado o Sr. Charles, o pintor. O que a Mary-Beth tá fazendo?
Hello, Mary-Beth.
Olá, Mary-Beth.
How are you, Arthur?
Como vai, Arthur? Não,
How
em
are
inglês
you?
não.
Well, I'm well, I think. It's been quite a run we've had, but we're
A
still
agitação,
alive.
mas ainda estamos vivos. É.
So, no regrets?
Então, sem
Regrets
arrependimento.
for what?
Oh, for joining this.
Bom, vou juntar a esse bando de maníacos.
If you're a girl without means in this world, life is very scary.
A vida é assustadora.
You boys care for me before no one cared for me.
Mary-Beth?
Well,
Ah,
life weren't very nice, Arthur. Not after Mama got
quando
typhoid.
depois da mãe ter febre
That was a long time
tifoide.
ago.
Isso já tem um bom tempo.
What
Of
about
course.
you? I heard you ran into that Mary girl.
Ó o Arthur acendendo
Yep.
fogo pela
And?
bota, o fósforo.
Got me thinking how that all ended. Long time ago
Já
now.
faz muito tempo.
What happened?
She didn't love me enough,
Ela não
I
me amava
guess.
bastante. Quem?
I wouldn't change.
Não é que eu ia mudar.
Well, she was a fool then,
Ou
Arthur.
então ela é uma
Well, she put a lot
boba.
of good years
Bom,
in
ela
on an
dedicou muitos anos a
outlaw.
um
She
fora da
definitely
lei.
was a fool.
In these
Tá falando
books,
seu amor, né?
life seems so simple, but in reality, I can't make head nor tail of it.
Mr. Morgan!
Mr. Morgan,
We have a problem.
temos um
A
problema.
real problem.
Ah,
It's Tilly.
é a Tilly
She's been taken
Jackson.
by them Foreman brothers she used to run with. Come along!
Foreman brothers.
Ok,
what are they
os
doing
irmãos
here?
I
Foreman,
don't know
é.
what they've been doing here, but I can tell you what they're going to be
Ah, eu
doing
lembro
here.
deles em Valentine.
Dying.
Sure.
Morreram.
Do we need more guns?
You and I can handle this,
Os
Arthur.
irmãos Foreman capturaram a Tilly
Where
Jackson.
we heading?
Pra onde a gente
Tell you on
vai?
the way. Just get going.
Vamos lá.
All right, head for Rhodes. And quick.
Para Rhodes e
She's on
rápido.
roads?
No, she's at a place called Radley's House.
Chamado
just
Casa
west of
Radley, a
there.
oeste dali.
How do you know?
When we
Como
first
você
got
sabe?
here,
Quando
she
chegamos
told me
aqui,
she was
ela-
worried that our camp was near a safe house that gang she ran with used from
Que a
time
antiga
to
gangue
time.
ela tá usando às
Told
vezes.
Dutch?
No,
Não, ela me disse isso em segredo.
I suppose I didn't think it would
Não
be
sei,
a
eu acho que
problem.
seria um problema contar pro Dutch. Ah,
Oh, yes.
oh,
What do they
yes.
want with her anyway? I think I saw one of the
Acho que
Foreman's
um dos
hands
Foreman
with her in
informado um dia em
Valentine.
Valentine.
They
É, eles
probably
provavelmente
followed us
seguiram
down.
até aqui, ó.
You don't know what happened? She killed one of them for good reason.
Por uma boa razão,
Clearly
mas
they don't
os
see
irmãos
it that way.
Foreman.
Tilly?
Yes. The young Tilly Jackson isn't as sweet and innocent
Yeah,
as you
Job.
might think. But like I say, she was
Mas, jovem Tilly Jackson, o passado dela não é tão não é o que todos pensam, não conhecem, né?
She fled and fell in with us right after that. I just hope we can get to her in time. If they've touched a single hair on that girl's head, I will eviscerate the sons of bitches.
See? You do care, Miss Grimshaw.
Ó o meu cavalo,
Of
vem.
course I care about all of you fools. Some just require a firmer hand than others. You especially.
Thank you.
I swear.
Ô, falar
having
nisso,
you
tem que
would
visitar a
just
mansão
rot
Braithwaite,
filth
como
if
ficou.
nobody kept you in check. Anyway, talking of folks disappearing. Have you seen that boy Kieran since
O
the
Killian desde
Jack?
afeta o Jack.
Come to think of it, no.
Pensando bem, não.
That could be another problem.
Well, he'd be a real fool to turn on us now. But I
É mesmo, o Killian sumiu, né?
can't imagine he'd last too long on his own.
Still,
Well, I'll
Ainda
get some
assim,
eyes out.
vou mandar ficarem de
See if we can track him
olho se ver se consigo localizar ele.
good. Let me know.
Nossa, cuidado!
I think there's a guard.
I'll deal with him.
Eu cuido dele.
Okay.
Vamos ver.
Sir, we're lost and in need of some.
É aqui que a Jill Jackson está, né? Radley House, perto de Rhodes. Por que eu não vim visitar esse lugar antes, né?
Hell. Oh, I see that kindly face of yours, and I know that for the right inducement, a gentleman such as yourself could be mighty kind.
Oh, get out of here.
Oh, now you keep saying
Ó,
you don't mean nothing by
I
it.
said,
You said your last word. Now what are you waiting for? Get in there and find our girl. I'll take that.
essa arma tá boa. Nossa, falou eu, senhora.
Are you going in there or not? Wait, Arthur!
I'm gonna keep your ears on a necklace. You back the hell off right now! What the hell you think you're doing?
A Tilly tá aqui, né? Os irmãos Foreman.
Finish those bastards off!
Pera aí, eu quero usar essa carta de cigarro.
Where's that girl, Arthur? Oh, if they've laid a finger on her!
Axiom.
Are you there?
aqui a casa dos irmãos Foreman.
Tilly! We're coming for you!
Café em pó, vou pegar. Bom, por enquanto ela não tá aqui. Então a Tilly foi sequestrada pelos irmãos Foreman.
Find her before they put a bullet in her head.
Oh, aí! Calma aí, Tilly.
It's okay, Miss Tilly.
Tudo bem, senhorita Tilly?
Let's get you out of here.
I thought there was...
Pensei que eles iam. Eu.
Don't matter what you
Não
thought,
importa o
it's
que você
okay.
pensou.
All right, let's
Tá
go.
tudo bem, ok?
Come along, miss. Thank you, both of you.
Obrigado a vocês dois.
It was Anthony
Foi o
Foreman.
Anthony
He thinks
Foreman.
he owns
Ah.
me.
I remember. Where is he?
He went out hunting or something. There were 5 of them, I think.
Well,
Bom,
killed those
a
fellas
gente
there.
matou aqui.
There they are.
Come on.
Lá estão eles. Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Anyone approaches, shoot him!
Oh, don't worry. I'll be just fine.
Vou ficar bem.
Now catch that bastard. The one... Across the wall. Bring him back alive. I ain't done.
All right, get after them!
Yep.
There, straight ahead. I saw him go through those bushes. You've got a couple seconds to what you did! You got him. They're heading down the hill to the water.
Come on.
Oh, there they are by the shoreline. All right, I think that last one's the boss. Lasso him and we'll take him back to Tilly. Don't kill him yet. I want Tilly to have the last word on this
Happy deals.
bastard. Come on, get him, Arthur.
Anthony Foreman.
I promise you don't want a war with me. Yeah.
Go on, rope that bastard.
Yeah.
Don't let him get away.
Go, go. Yeah.
Desgraçado não para.
You don't know who you're dealing with. Come here.
That's it. Now make sure you tie him up real good.
Open me like a damn steer.
Go on, truss him up. What are you waiting for?
Make these nice and tight.
Vamos pôr uma.
All right, you bring that bastard back to Tilly so we can all have a nice little chat. I'm gonna head over there now to check she's okay.
With pleasure.
Ok, com
I'll take
prazer.
his horse. He won't be needing it no more.
Você foi muito longe, hein?
Let's go, boy.
You have the first idea what you're
O que ele
getting
tá se
into?
metendo?
I'm Anthony Foreman.
Well, thanks for the introduction, Anthony. Is that Foreman with an A? I want the
E ou que
Undertaker to spell
coveiro?
it
Escreva
right.
direito, Sr. Foreman.
Bastard. Damn coward. Get off me, funny bastard. Who are you running with?
She didn't tell you?
Ela anda, te contou? Quem que é esse Anthony Foreman? Ele pensa que é o quê? É irmão da Chile? O que que ele tem a ver? Ele acha que é propriedade da Jerry Jackson.
This rope is cutting into me.
Don't feel so good when you're the one tied up, does it?
She killed my goddamn cousin.
Ela matou meu primo,
Don't
cacete.
worry, you'll be seeing him
Vai
soon
ver
enough.
ele em
What
breve.
are you gonna do with me?
I ain't sure yet. Reckon I'll let Tilly decide what you deserve.
You're wasting You're wasting your time with that girl. She's a liar. Shut your mouth. All right, damn it.
Tá bom, droga. Ah, ele... Aqui ele tá dizendo que pegou a tiro porque ela matou o primo dele. É vingança, alguma coisa assim, né? Aqui é a propriedade deles, então, né? Anthony Foreman.
All right, here's your man.
Bring him here. Dump him on the ground here. I want to get a good look at this monster.
As mulheres vão decidir o que eu posso fazer com você. Vamos lá, Sr.
So he's
Foreman.
still alive then?
Yes.
Parece que
See
sim.
this girl? You leave her alone.
Deixa ela em paz.
Killed my cousin.
Your
Ela matou meu
goddamn
primo, o
cousin
título
had
do
it
seu primo
coming,
pediu
Anthony
por
Foreman.
isso
I don't
Anthony
care if
Foreman.
she shot your daddy and cooked
O
your
seu
mama
pai.
for breakfast.
Ele cozinhou sua mãe
She's
pro comer.
mine.
Ela é
She
minha
ain't
e não
yours.
sua. Olha
A
lá.
friend of mine, he always says,
Meu sempre disse que a vingança é para os tolos. Olha lá, olha o Arthur.
you want all your boys dead?
Os homens
She had her
morram,
reasons.
ela teve suas
We
razões.
was family, Tilly
Gente,
Jackson.
ela é família de
Foreman
Jack.
boys
Os Foreman
ain't
não
no
são o
kind
tipo de
of
família que eu
family I
quero.
want.
Kill him, Arthur.
Mate o Arthur. Olha lá.
I want him to go away and tell the remaining of his
E diga pro
cousins
resto dos
and the
primos dele
clowns he rides with
com quem
to
ele anda
leave me
pra me
alone.
deixar em paz.
You
Chile
think you
Jackson.
can do that,
E acha que pode fazer isso, Anthony?
Or should I
Ou devo
slit
cortar
your
sua
throat
garganta?
and just save us all the
Eu
bother?
vou para a gente do
I'll
incômodo.
leave you alone.
Vou te deixar em paz.
Is
A
done.
história acabou.
History is never done. It's your call.
Ah, a
Arthur.
decisão é sua, Arthur. Mas eu cortaria a garganta dele.
Go on. Finish the bastard off. You know my choice.
Vou para Anthony Foreman. Muito bem.
Let's get you home.
Onde vai pra casa? Olha, foi por um triz, hein? Foreman.
Get out of here.
Sai daqui. Não, três vezes não. Agora podemos vasculhar a casa certinho. Olha, tem joias aqui, bolsa de moedas. Ah, escopeta, cartucho. O que tá acontecendo?
Okay, fella. Giddy up. Yeah. Criminal in back. Keep clear of the wagon. You! Come on! Get me out of this thing! I wouldn't hurt a fly! Come on! Don't leave me in here!
O que você quer, cara?
You showed up just in time. Oh. I was dead broke before these bastards grabbed me. But I can tell you something juicy. My way of thinking.
Como agradecimento.
You ever been to the gunsmith in
Isso aí é o
Saint
armeiro
Denis?
de Saint Denis, eu ouvi dizer que
I hear
lá
selling
faz mais do
guns
que
ain't all
20.
he doing.
Yeah?
Well, okay. Thanks again, mister. Good luck to you.
Yeah, move. Only a matter of time before more come. Yeah.
Ah, ele me contou o jardineiro de Saint Denis. Interessante isso.
Giddy up. Boy. Yep.
Yeah. Estação de Rhodes. Olha, tem um procurado aqui, peraí.
I don't know what's worse, if that's your blood or someone else's.
Is that how people present themselves?
Cartaz de recompensa. Hã? Vamos ver quem é o procurado.
You looking at that poster? They're an ugly old thing, aren't they?
Shambling around my backyard yesterday.
Procurado, recompensa de $25. Mark Johnson. Por assaltos a trens a carruagens. Que fugiu do cárcere há anos e ainda está foragido. Ele deve ser capturado vivo. Avistado pela última vez na região de Walter. Para coletar recompensa, contate o Sr. Thomas, gabinete de xerife, Sr. Rhodes.
I happen to know that fella is farming the swamp, or trying to, up by Siltwater Strand. He's a bad egg. Fancy that. I seen him coming and going here, and I never had an inkling. Hello again.
It's such a shame. My husband will be leaving
Thank you.
Saint Denis
Really?
on the very day of my arrival.
How it is.
Vamos atrás desse prisioneiro, peraí.
Hey, boy.
Can I give you a ride somewhere?
Primeiro procurar no gabinete de xerife aqui em Rhodes.
Howdy, partner. Back to it then, I guess.
Hey, mister. Mister?
Thank you for keeping us all safe, sir. I really appreciate your service.
Goodbye.
Vamos atrás do Mark Jones. Já tem serviço pra nós aqui. Mas onde eu vou salvar o progresso, né? Pronto. Susan e Arthur, Susan Grimshaw, vão para os esconderijo dos Irmãos Foreman para resgate da Tilly, que foi sequestrada. Vamos capturar o Mark Jones. Deixa eu ver aqui.
Easy.
Local esse Mark Jones, ele é procurado em vida. Então ele tá pra cá nessas redondezas, né?
Slow up now.
We ain't going until you get this
Olha ele
right.
ali.
I can't, Daddy, please. Let him in. He's been trying for hours.
He ain't no kind of man till he can get on a horse.
Ah, ele tem filho.
I can't do it, Daddy. He's spent. Let him rest.
My son ain't no quitter. Do it again, boy.
Coitado, ele tem filho, ó.
My arms are like rope. Leave it, Billy, please.
He ain't
Billy, por
trying
favor.
is all. Again, boy.
I can't. I'm beat. Look at him. He's worn through.
He will be if he don't get up there.
You're here for your bounty.
Vem cá, filho.
Come to mama, boy.
You, I'm an arm. Knew you were coming. I got something to ask. I'm a changed man, okay? Let me say my
Get
fair.
robbed, mister. Give me everything you got.
I won't take but a moment. He's just a boy.
Make it quick.
You're a
Seja
forgiving
rápido lá. Você é um homem bonzinho lá. Mark Jones, o que vai falar pro filho dele?
boy. Boy, come here.
Vem cá, escute.
Exactly as I say. You hear?
Ouviu?
Don't leave
I ain't gonna fight you in front of my family. Okay? You wanna take me? Take me.
Come on, pal.
Take me away, or let me loose. You gonna take me, or what?
Ah.
This is very kind of you.
Levar ele com a família dele, né, Tim?
I love you, Daddy.
Enough with that. Just remember what I said, boy.
It's just us now, son. It's just us. Daddy did a bad thing. And there ain't no such thing as forgiveness.
Ah, não vou fazer isso não.
We're proud of you, boy. We knew this might happen. Be thankful for the time you had. There. You're the man now. Remember your daddy. You might not see him again.
Vou levar ele. Fiquei com dó, mas agora eu vou levar.
Come on now, boy. Johnson, what? Just, you're real quiet back there. Most captured men, they beg or
Tá
they
bem,
cry,
ou
they
briga
rail
com
against fate.
I've made my peace.
Okay.
Ok. Eu já tô preparado que vai ter uma emboscada.
That son of a bitch. It's a bit late. Oh no. Don't. Damn. Fish on the line. Oh, dude, he's tighter this time. How's that? Now, what was the point in all that? Could have got your neck broke prematurely. All right.
There he is, like the boy said.
Go, go! No! Ah! No more gangs, all right?
Todos mortos, e
I
aí?
think that's all your friends, ain't it? You shouldn't have done that. And now look what's happened.
Mortos por sua
Dead
causa.
because of you. Damn it.
Droga,
I knew
sabia
you
que eu
was being
tava
quiet.
quieto, tipo.
Well,
Ah, e planejou, né? Mark Johnson. Tava mãozinho demais pra ser verdade, né? É, malandro.
Hold on. Won't be long till we're in roads.
Calma aí, nós tá chegando. A cadeia em
This is
rodas, Mark Johnson.
roads. You're almost shot of me.
I'm ready. I hope they make it quick.
Great.
Ain't that a thing?
All right, that's good. Holy shit. Found this feller on a small holding. Name's Mark Johnson.
You can only run so long, son. There's your cell. You're lucky it's not a grave.
I was out in the bayou. Wasn't hurting no.
Não machuquei ninguém. Olha lá, Mark Johnson.
Maybe you weren't, but those partners of yours were a rough bunch.
Go to hell.
Foi o Mark Johnson na cela. É, Arthur é um caçador de recompensa, né? É, fica aí na celinha, Mark Johnson. Ai, ai.
That's the price for Johnson.
I didn't take it, someone else would have.
Obrigado, xerife.
Tell yourself that, bounty hunter. You ain't whiter than white. I hope your past catches up with you. I swear I'm a good man now, Sheriff. I got a son.
You ran, and you kept running. Don't twist this any other way. Should be something else going up in the station in a little while.
Fique
Keep
de
an
olho.
eye out.
I built a home out in godforsaken country. Land no one would want. I made amends, I promise.
You'll find redemption in a chain gang, or on the end of a rope, that's all.
Obrigado, xerife. Chegar aqui à noite,
I'm gonna
Salão.
regret this, but you can shop here. You so much as look at me funny, though. You? I knew today was
Vamos ver
gonna
o que
be
você
a
tem pra
bad day.
vender.
Fine. Here. How do I put this? Hurry the hell up.
Café em pó.
Tick tock, let's go.
Essa mecânica comprar aqui, será que no GTA 6 futuro vai ter, galera? Com certeza.
How do I put this? Hurry the hell up.
I was saying it's true, but I heard a fella came into town kind of surprised. I'm wondering whether you have.
Tick tock, let's go.
Peraí, peraí. Tônico capilar, vou experimentar.
A second longer than I need to. Let's go. Final call.
Vamos voltar lá pra fazer a missão principal. Vocês vão gostar dessa missão, é da hora, galera. A gente vai conhecer os habitantes de Rhodes. A fazenda dos Ray.
Easy. Here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's you! Come here, please! You can see the bind I'm in. I need help again. Come on! Okay, fine. I know this doesn't look good. But I swear I didn't do nothing wrong.
Prisioneiro.
Can't stay out of trouble, can you?
Just shoot the shackles. One bullet, that's all. You helped me before. It just cost you one round.
Alright. Second
yes.
time's the charm.
I can't believe it. Oh, I thought they were never coming off this time.
Não sair
I'd
dessa.
be done without you, that's for sure. I'll owe you till the end. Maybe someday I'll make it up to you. In some way.
If I'm ever looking to collect, I'll just hang around the sheriff's office. I'm sure you'll show up sooner or later.
Ah, é a segunda vez que eu ajudo esse cara, né?
I'll be looking for you something fierce.
They won't find me.
Yeah.
Not this time.
Easy.
De novo, cara, esse cara tá ajudando. Olha, tá completamente escuro.
Easy now. Just me.
Opa, tem roupa de fazer com o Uncle aqui.
How are you?
I feel
Reverend.
wonderful. Hello, Mr. Morgan.
Vamos sentar um pouco, curtir a fogueira.
Hi, fellas.
Young Lenny.
Hey.
Okay, Mr. Morgan.
Thank you for all your work. Of course, Mr. Morgan.
Opa, hora da janta.
Time to turn in.
You awake yet?
Eu já fiz muito nesse dia, hora de trabalhar.
Have you seen the way Dutch looks at Mary-Beth?
Ah, come on! It's not fair.
Like a dog with a piece of steak.
Will you leave me be?
You just keep telling yourself what you need to hear.
Will you get away from me?
Ai, como mandando a mole. Vamos ver como tá o registro aqui.
If I go back and they find me, I'm dead. My mother, I heard she died. I mourn her, but I did not bury her. My sister got married, she moved away. I hope she's safe, but I will never know. And what was my crime? Huh? My crime was wanting food and fairness for the people. For that, I have been chased and hunted. I come here. Things are not so very different. Everyone steals, kills, suppresses, lies. All they do better here is make you believe that it's not that way.
Tem muita coisa aqui, hein? Uma carta da Mary-Beth. Vamos dormir de manhã, 3 horas. Hoje chegou o grande dia na festa do bar do prefeito. Ai, ai.
It's you. Hey there, Jack.
I'm hungry this morning.
Tá com fome essa manhã.
Let's try that again. Hello. Why are
You forget
poking
things a lot,
around here?
Uncle Arthur.
Take it easy. I'm just needling you. You're acting strange. Just get out of here. Oh, what do you want?
O John não gosta de mim aqui, cara.
Hey, folks. You're wasting your time. pining after John.
Leave it, Arthur. I ain't in the mood.
I'm only joking with you.
Well, I'm glad. It amused you.
See you then. What is it, Morgan?
Little Johnny Marston.
And you wonder why no one likes you.
Hi, Jack.
Hello.
All right, this ain't funny now.
How's the
Get out.
reading going?
I'm getting better.
Hey, you shouldn't be in here.
Hey! Up!
What is it, Morgan?
I've
Can I get
forgotten
some
what it
peace
was
here?
now.
I need some sleep.
Que da hora. O John expulsa eu daqui, né?
He only looks out for one person, and that's John Marston.
I'm losing my patience now.
If you want to learn the hard way, that's up to you.
What are you trying to prove?
You're a fine example to these young girls, Abigail.
All right. I'm not playing this game.
All right?
Arthur,
You okay?
I'm bored.
Estou melhorando. Nossa, que braveza comigo, hein? O John não tá. O Touch não tá dormindo aqui.
You're one big loudmouth, ain't you?
Who do you think you're talking to?
I'm only kidding around.
Well, don't.
Hey,
Okay?
Ah, it's nothing.
What's going on?
Sorry. It's too tempting.
I'm too tired for this.
Aqui é a cama da Tilly, né?
Hi, Molly.
Good morning, Arthur.
You can do better than that. Hello.
I'm not playing this game.
Take it easy. I ain't serious.
Well, you're not funny.
Morning to you.
Morning.
Vamos ver o Zé aqui dormindo. De dia. Ah, o Zé tá lá.
Mr. Pearson.
How are you?
You okay?
About time you rested up.
You are one tough old boot, ain't you?
Who do you think you're talking to?
Hi, Mary-Beth.
Hey.
Cadê o Trilão aqui?
Hi there, folks.
Good morning, Arthur.
Hi there. Hey, Abigail. Hello.
Eu vou dormir até de tarde. Dormir mais um pouco, né? O Arthur cansado. Vamos lá. Meio-dia. Olha que bicho é esse? Vai servir de bem carne pro Sr. Pierce.
Great, Mr. Trelawney.
How the Arthur?
Looking smart as always.
One must have. Dear boy.
There he is.
Herr Morgan.
It's a nice place you brought us to, my brother.
Yes.
E aí, Xavier?
Makes me miss freezing to death in the mountains.
Yeah.
I hear you've been making all kinds of new friends again, Mr. Bell, with your overpowering charms.
There ain't no soul, Reverend. Not in any of us. It's a fairy story.
Perhaps.
Michael Bell.
What do you believe?
I believe there's winners and losers, and nothing else besides.
Which one do you think you are?
Compared to you, I'm the greatest man that ever lived.
Whatever creature you worship, Mr. Bell, pray to it for humility. Good day.
Ooh.
Micah. Arthur. Working hard as ever?
I make the money, not wash the clothes.
Vamos jogar poker aqui.
Yeah, all right.
Now this is a good group of players we got here.
My mama told me.
Passar o tempo, né, no acampamento.
Fair enough. Check.
I'm just here for fun, all right? You ain't got more than that.
Nossa, no modo do quarto tá cheio de sangue, né?
Well, someone's gotta raise it.
Kid wages, huh? Cute.
There.
This any good? Think it might
No, no.
Caraca, velho. John ganhou.
Not bad, not bad.
Opa, tá bem.
Check.
Nah,
Bunch of damn washerwomen.
that's
Let's
the
play.
Corvette.
Folding.
Where you hiding, friend?
Nah.
Oh,
Asa. Ixi.
This game will never get exciting at this rate.
I don't believe you for a second, friend.
Don't cry on me.
My hand, if you can
There
call it
it
that.
is.
How the shit? Well done.
Well, that's a little something.
Vamos lá, vamos lá.
Check.
Opa, eu vou arriscar essa carta, eu acho.
Here. Just a little.
Careful, money bags. Race.
That's all. My lord, you're born. Forgive me. It's all I can afford.
Uh-huh. Fine, then.
Don't fret. I'll be back to collect this.
Hey, I don't think so.
What do we got here?
I ain't got much.
That's it.
Ah, que droga.
Huh. All mine.
Ai. Vamos ver que carta tem.
Okay.
My beard's getting longer. Come on.
Pera aí, deixa eu ver um negócio aqui, cara.
I can't wait all day for you.
Here.
Dang it. Are you still playing?
That's all you got for us?
Vou apostar, né?
Here. That's it for now. How's this stack up? Whew.
Ganhei!
How'd
Uhul!
you do that?
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Ganhei.
Mind the time, man.
Deixa eu ver aqui.
I was hoping to get along with my day sometime.
Yep. I know. Ain't too exciting.
Oh, hell.
No. Pathetic.
Ganhei.
Yeah. Yep.
Nah. Yeah, call. You know, I might pass away before you move.
Vamos ver o que montou aqui.
Yeah.
Essa parece a última. Ah, tô com uma moa.
Gotta step up sometime.
I'm in.
Not much of a risk taker, are you? There.
Sure.
Yeah, I know. Pretty pathetic.
I'm going easy.
You ain't got more than that?
Just a little wager.
Sure.
Huh. I'ma play slow.
Okay.
How about this? Well, I wonder.
Ha! Not bad, huh?
There.
Ganhei!
Good for you, I guess. Yes.
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 I'll check. Check. At least it's something. No. Oh, hell. I like that.
Oh, Bill.
A little goes a long way. Fold.
Vamos lá.
What you so scared of?
I'll check.
You're not one of life's risk takers, huh? I'll call. Boring. Well, here goes nothing. All right then. Take a look. I ain't got it. Yeah!
That's tomar no cu.
Oh, I guess I'm about done.
Vamos conversar com o Odeia. Deixa eu ver um negócio agora, peraí.
There she is.
E aí, Odeia?
Hosea?
Hey, Arthur.
Caiota não é gaiano.
If we're gonna make it to this party, we sure shit better clean up a little. So we're doing this?
Oh, yeah. Old friend, Dutch
Oi,
friend,
velho amigo da Edmund.
finally showing his true colors. Social climbing.
Old Senor Bronte, that
O velho
horrendous
Sr.
snake has
Bronte
invited us to the
convidou a
ball,
gente pro
Cinderella.
baile Cinderela.
I suggest
Ah,
yes,
da
we
hora.
go and get you a gown. You son of a bitch.
Seu filho da puta. Ah lá. Olha, nós vai pra noite de gala. A cara do Arthur.
You're ridiculous. Utterly.
I ain't never
Olha,
been
foi
to
o
a ball
Dutch
in
e
my life,
o
nor have
Arthur.
I, if I am being honest.
E
I used to quite
o Wilson e o Odeia.
fine tickets.
No pickpocketing. We're
Oh,
here
no,
to
no,
make
isso não.
real contact. What kind of contact? I
Que
don't
tipo
know.
de contato?
Find what we can.
Iremos
All I
descobrir o que
know for
pudermos.
sure is
Tudo
we're
o que eu
going
sei
to
é:
the party at the
vemos uma
mayor's
festa na
house,
casa do
and the guest
prefeito.
of honor is the worst crook in town. I'm sure
Opa!
we will find something. Okay.
Ok, olha lá.
Gentlemen, Luca.
Senhores, Luca.
I'm afraid the mayor does not allow guns at official functions after last year's incident.
Ó, festa de gala, hein?
Luca here will take you to Mr. Bronte. I believe he is expecting you.
Follow me, gentlemen.
Valeu, valeu. Casa do prefeito, né?
This way, please, gentlemen. Senior Bronte will be so pleased that you made it.
We are honored to be here.
That's wonderful, wonderful. Come this way. What a beautiful evening it shall be. Mr. Bronte is a very good friend with the mayor. Good evening, Pierre.
Oh, bonita a casa do prefeito, hein? Uau.
Behaves himself, you know. Mr. Bronte, he has a thing, you know, respect.
Say, Bill, join the party? We'll meet you out back after we pay our respects to Senor Bronte.
Gunk up?
We'll meet you out for the balcony when you're done.
Qual a festa que tá tendo ali? Caraca, velho, festa luxuosa, hein? Quarto da terno e gravata, cara. Vamos aqui na casa. Olha o Sr. Brody. Os cowboys zangados, vocês chegaram.
And you've watched for the prima volta questo mese.
Pela primeira vez nesse mês, sem dúvida. Essa parte agora você nos convidou. Interessante. Então é a alta sociedade Saint Denis.
And all these people, these are friends of yours, Senor Bronte.
Charuto, ó, da hora.
But they certainly are afraid of me. Like that one.
Como aquele ali, deve ter referido, ele é o prefeito.
Henri Lemieux.
Henri Lemieux.
Do anything for a dollar, and I mean anything.
Politics is a foul business.
Política é um negócio sujo. Ah, sim. Isso é o Coronel Fusar. Ele tem uma plantação indicando uma ilha. Ah, pra ele despojar. Oh, e aquele Robert Rowley, confederado, major de guerra. Um grande herói, dizem ele, mas essa é a sua jovem esposa. Uma jovem amante. Uau! É próximo. Oh, pelas vermelhas. Os índios, né? Não tem simpatia por eles dois. Quem for idiota bastante para ser enganado por americanos. É o que merece, não é? Uma carta ao prefeito, sim. Isso irá te salvar. E aquele Hector Faltor, o jornalista moralista. Talvez mataram pra mim um dia. Oh, não matamos por dinheiro assim. Não aceito. Eu não achei que você seria tão detalhista a continuar. Mas estou disposto a ajudar no que puder. Dentro do razoável. Vou ver que entende o que isso significa. Não quis ofender, senhor. Oh, não ofendeu. Não ofendeu. Todas essas pessoas vulgares, eles me odeiam. Olha lá. Estou ansioso para ver o que você morrer. Olha lá. Foi. Gosto de conversar com você. Yes. Aproveita a festa. Socializem com essa história por carta. Vou conhecer muita gente aqui em Saint Denis.
Those sure were the days. Good day, gentlemen.
Good day to you. But before
you go, mas antes de você, quais são os seus planos aqui exatamente? Não temos nenhum ainda. Bem, vamos precisar de algum dinheiro. Dinheiro? Sim, é course. A estação de bondinho. Angel Bronder, né?
As a guest, yes, as my guest. Do it, huh? Okay, good day, gentlemen.
Bom dia, senhores.
Ok, ragazzi, adesso il vino buono.
Vinho, vinho.
I'll show you to the party, gentlemen, if you kindly follow me.
Vamos seguir o Dutch. Depois dá pra entrar aqui na casa do prefeito.
Gentlemen, enjoy your evening and welcome once again.
Sejam bem-vindos a Saint Denis. Luca Napoli é o nome do guia. Não roubar nada, o Dutch tá falando. Você vai achar um lugar pra roubarmos. E eu faço uns amigos pra nós. Você foi o professor velho Coronel, velho Milton sabem que estamos aqui. Cavaleiros, tenham cuidado. socializar com os convidados na festa. Ok.
Good evening. Featherstone Chambers. Pleased to meet you. Heston James.
William.
Bloody drink, will you? A small one. Just big enough for me to swim the lengths in, you know? You know, quite fucking drunk. You know, I used to be a great beauty. And an even greater wit. What a total bastard it is.
Glass of champagne, sir?
Ah, obrigado.
The real ones, I mean. Wedlock. Hugely.
Evening, gentlemen.
Hello, sir.
Evening, folks.
Hello, sir. Why would you do
How's
this?
it going with you?
Plenty of reasons to
You
smile.
remind me of a feller I used to know. The truth is, since the war, the country's doomed itself.
I disagree. The war? The war was 30 years ago. I was just a boy. And since then, we have fought
You
more
know.
wars. And we will fight more again.
How are you, ladies?
Tore itself apart.
How are you all doing?
Don't even exist.
This is quite the town that you have here, Mr.
Oh,
Jameson.
Dutch.
Oh, I don't live here. I was here for poker. Oh, you play? It's my weakness, my worst vice.
Perhaps you should have been whipped out of you like you advocate whipping the sin out of others.
Not whipping, sir, working, and besides, my vice is between me and my maker.
Monsieur.
Keep winning.
Every gambler says that, Mr. Jameson.
Yes, I know, but like I said, the next big tournament, which I will not
William.
How's things? I have heard just
lovely. Thank you.
Evening, folks. That's so.
Oh, how do you do?
Sure, I'm not a wealthy man. I run a person.
I apologize for that woman's
For card sharks and rich.
Of course, I'm married, Miss Tweedy.
Senhorita do White.
It's more business than romance.
And you're romantic, are you, Stocksmith?
Always have been. A true romantic. A dreamer. Why don't you let me show you someday?
And you think my cousin would appreciate that demonstration?
Our cousin is a cold woman.
Senhorita do White.
Very lonely man.
And I am looking
You know, my friend works in the Caribbean. He faces real
Bill, please stop pestering me.
man for the same gear and all of this. All these garden parties and civility. They will be doomed. I believe in civilizing the masses, sir.
What's your
The first order of civilization. How are you all doing? Law. How do you do? Good evening, ladies. I agree. Without law and order, we will have anarchy. But with too much law and order, we have dictatorship or worse. Gentlemen, how do you do? Should be a dictator. How do you do, sir? I thought the American ideal was gentlemen.
Oh, mister.
Not such a Philistine as all that, Marie.
Someone first.
Ó, o Arthur vai ser moço, vai ajudar na champanhe. Ó.
Of course.
Thank you, sir. You were quite the gentleman. Clearly not from this swampy hell.
Thank you. Thank you.
Obrigado.
Ladies, I'll see you next week.
Ma'am,
Shady.
how are you?
You're walking away from history, you fool! Women and men both deserve to decide the future. This is meant to be the land of liberty. But somehow
Evening,
I
folks.
am not free to vote.
Why, hello.
You, how's it going?
In the eye,
I can't lie.
in all honesty, that I am not the equal of any man you
Ah, essa mulher aqui
Hello
vai
there.
protesta, né? Coisa.
Mrs. Wicklow.
and you're very
Sounds good, fellas.
and again, sir.
Don't blame me for God's mistakes, if they were mistakes.
What do you mean?
Women are
Senhorita
inferior
Wicklow.
to men, madam. It's not my fault. It's the fact. Undeniable.
here, sir.
Okay, madam. I will not prove it by publicly thrashing you.
Well, you're stronger than me, sure. But as civilized beings, haven't we moved past that?
How are you all doing?
Apparently not. Good evening to you, sir. I will go find some other people to threaten to hit me.
Evening all.
How was the show I heard you went?
Evening, gentlemen.
Outrageous.
How do you
These
do?
dances. Well, if that's French culture for you, sign me up a French. Can I
How
help
are
you,
you
sir?
all doing?
Well, I'm not quite sure. Would you like tickets?
What?
Bring Tilden. This is Mr. Hector Fellows. Well, it's nice to meet both of you. Lucy?
Good evening.
Yeah.
Is that
I mean, no, it's a new shirt.
Hello. Evening, folks.
Ficou legal essa festa aqui.
As well as can be expected.
Myself many years ago.
This town gets to remain under my... I'm sorry, but you can't be serious. The war is preferable to peace.
A guerra.
That's not what I said.
These sad times we live in.
Well, you are not. I came down from New York for a job. I'm a banker.
Did you hear back there? The law should be a dictator?
I wasn't really listening.
Não tava ouvindo.
For you. And as for that other fella, Featherstone Chambers, what a
Carlos
whack
Ball.
he is.
He did seem full of himself.
Anyway.
How are you all doing?
Why, hello.
Good day, sir.
My partners and I represent
How are you all
20,
doing?
well, more like 23%
How's it going?
all the trade
Very
heading
well,
south
thank you.
from Quebec into the U.S.
And evening, gentlemen.
Oh, the usual bunch of
Oh, the eavesdropper. I'd get away from that. And order.
Have you considered Lemoyne National Bank?
Ó, vou ajudar esse cara.
I need a big bank, sir.
Tá precisando de ajuda, cara?
You okay?
My lord.
Ah, os miseráveis que mandam ele morrer.
Thank you, sir. Oh, yes.
Obrigado, senhor.
Thank you.
Olha o irmão 4.
Tacitus killed.
Tacitus Kilgore. Ah. Olá, senhor Kilgore.
What is it that you do?
Sou um aventureiro.
Oh, me too. Pursuer of the exotic and the remarkable. An estate in this land of common
De pagãos ordinários, senhor. Que? Falsos?
Well, my card, sir. We could discuss it.
Bom, talvez possamos conversar dia desse, senhor.
When it comes to bankers, I drive a hard. Pay me a visit in my.
Quer me visitar meu ateliê.
I must just go and purge. I intend to stay thin until I pass away. Good evening.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go find my fiancée.
Of course. And congratulations.
Legal.
Life is a wonderful thing.
Gentlemen.
Bonjour. What exactly is the issue at hand?
Good
Howdy do.
Hello, ma'am.
You look great. Anyway, I heard that Judith Hawksbill has taken a lover.
Evening, folks.
That slippery fool has had that coming for years.
So hard all these days to find men of true morals, especially in journalism.
Indeed.
Realmente.
And you certainly won't find many here. How do you think they got so rich? Well, anyway, enjoy your evening.
How do you do?
Evening, gentlemen.
Hi there, sir.
How are you all doing? Evening, all.
Hello there.
Good evening.
How do you do?
Gentlemen.
E meu material, obrigado.
Well, enjoy the rest of your evening. Stay away from the nuts would be my advice.
Legal essa festa, galera, de galo, ó.
How do you do, ma'am?
Hello? Thank you for the champagne. Hello there.
How are you?
Having fun? Are you enjoying the party?
Evening, ma'am.
You know, I swear, half the men in here are dipping their quill in another inkwell.
Pulando a cerca também.
Which means half the women are too.
Yeah. Must be something in the champagne.
Well, gives us something to talk about.
Evening, sir.
I really do love it.
Just what is your problem?
Hello, sir.
Vamos ver primeiro episódio. Olha o tamanho dessa mesa, galera, ó.
Hello there.
Shady.
How's it going with you?
Life is magnificent.
How are you? Mais bonjour. Evening, gentlemen. Evening, sir.
Precious know-it-all.
Excuse me?
Oh, not you.
Hector Faros, acho que você ouviu nosso.
Heard our conversation. He pays me to be the editor of that newspaper, but he poses
Médio, nariz.
every turn. He thinks morality is unbiased, but it is quite the opposite. I'm sorry. I'm a wreck.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Gentlemen.
Hey!
Evening, gentlemen.
Well, hello there.
How do you do, ma'am?
I mean, did you hear what that man said? Inferior. Do you think women should have the vote?
Oh, I don't care.
Eu nunca ouvi o mesmo.
Well, that's no better. Anyway, if you'll excuse me, I'm still furious with that oath.
Hello. Hi there.
I think I saw you. Hello.
Gentlemen.
Hello.
How are you all doing?
Shady.
It really is a beautiful.
Meu chapéu bonito, hein?
Mr. Wasp.
Eu comprei do Sr. Wasp, ele é o melhor chapéu do estado.
Quite the most interesting purvey of the exotic. But don't tell anyone, sir. The women here are all desperate to know.
Ma'am.
Ah, música, cara.
Evening, gentlemen.
Why, hello.
Hello there. Evening, folks.
Hello.
How's it going?
Just fine, thank you.
Good evening. Mais bonjour. Good to see manners ain't dead yet. Evening, all.
Why, hello.
You seem full of joys of spring, miss.
Thank you.
Evening, folks. Bonjour. How are you all doing? Bonjour. How's things? Evening, gentlemen.
How do you do?
Content de vous voir.
Olha a mesa de copo, olha aqui, ó.
Evening, ladies.
Shady.
How's it going?
Just lovely. Thank you.
Hello?
Evening, all.
Hello, sir.
Evening, gentlemen. Howdy. Gentlemen. Well, howdy. Good evening.
Well, hello there.
Evening, gentlemen.
Good day.
How's it going?
Cannot
I like
really
you,
think
mister.
of
You have a
anything to
kind
complain
face.
about right at this moment.
Vamos ver aqui o que tem mais.
Good evening. Mais bonjour. Gentlemen. Hello there. Good evening, ladies. Evening, folks.
Hello. Why, hello.
How you doing?
Fine.
Hope you're
Just
okay there,
fine.
miss.
Thank you.
Evening, ma'am.
Thank you again for the champagne.
You're welcome. So, how do you know the mayor?
Oh, I don't really. It's just another party, and I get invited to parties.
Ah, I see.
Ó, o Arthur paquerando, né?
Really. Hence the need for copious amounts of champagne.
How are you all doing?
Bonjour.
Ma'am.
Have you heard what...
What's in your head? Take care now.
Goodbye.
Põe aqui seu convidado mais importante, que é o prefeito.
Evening, folks. Hello. How are you all doing?
Hello.
How's it going with you?
Quite well, thank
Evening,
you.
all. How are you all doing?
How do you do?
Evening, all. Hello there. How are you all doing?
Bonjour.
Evening, all.
Why,
Evening,
hello.
gentlemen.
Well, hello there.
Good evening. Entendez-vous voir? Gentlemen.
Hello.
Evening, folks.
Senhor Wask.
How are you? Mais bonjour. How are you all doing? Bonjour. How's it going?
As well as can be expected.
Good evening.
Hello.
Qu'entendez-vous voir? Gentlemen.
Hello.
Mr. Chambers. What are you loitering around me for? Mingle, dear boy. Have you tracked down the mayor yet? Not yet. What chance? Enjoying yourself?
You know, I think those fellas were making fun of me.
Ah,
Anyway, what you found?
Nothing too much yet.
I'll be glad when this is over.
How's your evening going?
Met some interesting people. What about you? Did you speak to the mayor?
I'm still looking for it.
Well, look a little higher.
Hi there, mister. Evening, folks. Bonjour. Evening, all.
bom, acho que podemos dar prosseguimento na festa.
Sir.
Hello.
Evening, folks.
Bonjour.
Evening, all. Bonjour. How you doing? Evening, folks. Evening, gentlemen.
Well, hello there.
Vamos conversar com o prefeito.
Complex and you, and only an idiot like you, buddy, would try to make it so.
I will not deny idiocy, sir, but perhaps now is not the time.
Typical pansy.
You are drunk, Ferdinand.
I'm not.
Não estou bêbado, seu idiota. Ferdinand.
This man
Ô, prefeito, esse homem ama esse... Ah, você está bem bêbado.
What say you and me cool off?
Vamos lá, cara.
Hands off me. Come on, sleep it
Pronto, vai
off.
dormir.
Sit down.
Ferdinand, sai fora, está bêbado.
Count to 1,000. Then you can rejoin the party.
conhecer aqueles índios. E aí? Prazer. Obrigado, senhor. Henri Lemieux, prefeito. Espero que esteja gostando da minha festa. O prefeito, aparentemente, que belo lugar você tem aqui. Não é meu. A cidade está com dívida terrível. Mundo das aparências. Você conhece Evelyn Miller? Meu Deus, Evelyn.
Shall we?
Oh, shall we?
My lord, é fantástico.
Oh, são fantásticos. O escritor Evelyn Miller, quem o Dutch Courtois. Fogos de artifício, da hora. Você, perdão,
Mr. Cornwall was quite
eu sei que o Sr. Cornwall foi bastante insistente. Ele gritou no telefone por vários minutos, Sr. Cornwall. Lamento muito, senhor. Deixe-me aproveitar as fontes. Ele falou alguma coisa sobre o Cornwall. Sim. Descubra o que? Scores.
Why, hello.
Why are you plaguing me so?
Enquanto os fogos estão rolando.
Good evening. Mais bonjour.
Enquanto as pessoas estão distraídas, vamos seguir o criado. Quer conhecer aqueles índios, né?
No problems? Everything's fine. We have the place well secured.
Good. Mr. Bronte has a habit of wandering about and reading whatever he likes.
We're watching him and his men like hawks.
Thank you, Mr. Dunn.
Obrigado, Sr. Terapia. Muitos convidados estranhos, né, galera?
Is everything taken care of? The telephone, it keeps ringing.
The mayor said he will sign later.
Marie! Find that little reprobate chip and beat him! I will not have standard slip in this house! Have you lost your mind? I said, have you lost your mind? Come here. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Who do you think you are? This area is not meant for the likes of you. You know this.
Você sabe disso, só o criado tá maltratando o empregado.
This is a final warning to you, mister. A final warning. Now get out of my sight.
Vai, Arthur. Nossa, o quarto do prefeito. Bonita essa instalação aqui, né? O que temos aqui? Cozinheiros não podem me descobrir. Vamos ver onde é a casa do prefeito. Ah, é aqui.
Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Top secret. Extremely confidential. Very interesting.
O que está escrito aqui? Carta do prefeito Henry Lemius para Ângelo Pronte, do gabinete do prefeito de cidade. Mais de 1800. Monsenhor Ângelo, mais uma vez a cidade está em dívida para com você. O presente. Estou apontando para a sua generosidade. O presente magnífico que você nos deu será um alicerce para o financiamento do nosso sonho de fundar uma universidade de renome mundial. Em nossa cidade estamos conseguir os fundos necessários para fundar a escola de divindade e a faculdade de humanoides. Os futuros alunos de Lemônio devem muita visão de homens como você. Ele estou eternamente grato. Seus amigos, Henry Lemius. Nossa, o Arthur invadiu o gabinete do prefeito. Será que tem mais alguma coisa aqui? Piada. Nossa, sala de jantar do prefeito, ó. O que tá escrito? Ah, tem um piano aqui, ó. Tem lugar que não tá pra andar tudo aqui não. Ai, ai.
Hello.
How's it going?
Just swell.
Hello there.
Shady.
Evening, sir. Gentlemen. Well, hello there. Hi there. Bonjour.
Lilia.
Hey, partner. Hello there. How do you do, sir? How are you? Well, hello there. Hi there. Sir? Hello.
Evan Miller. Ferdinand.
How's things? Well, luck to you. Goodbye. You look like a man on a mission. So, don't let me keep you. How are you?
How do you do?
Evan Miller, e aí?
How do you do, ma'am?
Bonjour.
Evening, ma'am.
Shady.
Evening, sir. J'entends vous voir. Good evening.
How do you do?
Hi there. Howdy. Evening, sir.
Acho que eu já conheci todos aqui, vou embora.
Je vous salue. How are you? Hello, ma'am.
Bien bonjour.
Hi there, sir.
Dutch.
Anything? I think so.
Acho que sim.
Nothing.
Nada.
This town is a waste
Precisa de
of
uma
time.
perda de tempo. Ô, Bill. Arthur. Podemos ir embora. Acho que acabamos aqui.
What did you find out?
Plenty of money moves through here, of course, and I think I found out how we can grab some of the big bank. Real one, I mean. But not yet.
A city bank.
Maybe. And a stuffed one. If we're gonna leave, that could be the one thing we need.
There's also that trolley car station Senor Bronte told us about, and I heard...
O nome da missão é da hora. Caiato na gaiola.
Come on.
Come on, vamos. Devolver as coisas deles, né?
All right.
Certo, vamos entrar.
Go home.
Ir pra casa.
I ain't never felt so awkward in all my life. All them folk are so pleased
O
with
pessoal todo muito
themselves.
satisfeito consigo
High
mesmo.
society pigeon shit. If you ask me, it's more like torture.
Ah, o Bill não pode disso, né?
Let people torture
Eu não me pegou uma carta
Here's
de
them
porno,
papers
tipo, alguma coisa.
Let me see
Ah,
you take this.
alguém
I
te viu
think
pegar
so.
isso? Acho que não.
I might have an
Acho que eu tive uma ideia.
Let me think on it.
Só me deixe pensar a respeito. É, acho que acabamos por aqui, galera.
Interesting times.
Tempos interessantes. Pois é.
So what's next?
Então, e agora? Aulas de dança.
More along the lines of
Também para assalto da mão armada.
Jose is handling
Você está fazendo reconhecimento do banco.
He and Abigail
Ele e Abigail vão criar uma investigação.
see how the law reacts. Good. Oh, and I spoke to
Ó,
Evelyn
eu falei
Miller.
com Evelyn Miller, um bom
Here
homem.
helping the Indian chief we saw.
O chefe indígena, e eu conheci ele também como prefeito. Ele está em Saint Denis em nome deles, talvez. Acho que tem muito dinheiro no banco a favor. Muito dinheiro mesmo. E o Trelawney está investigando para nós, ele falou que vai nos procurar. Só mais um golpe, Arthur, e a gente desaparece.
We are almost heading home. Where is home?
E onde isso fica? Eu não sei. Exatamente.
But I can smell it.
Não posso sentir o cheiro.
I'm gonna go investigate
Vou
this
investigar essa coisa do
thing
bondinho.
Bronte was talking about. Okay.
Ah, agora tem missões a fazer, né? Ok. Amanheceu o dia.
You here to pick another fight?
Conhecemos figuras importantes hein, aqui.
Golden boy.
Morning.
Bom, galera, vamos ver aqui.
Use a slug of whiskey in this.
Maybe after lunch, eh? You know, all this, it used to feel like one big party.
How wrong I was.
It's not all so bad.
Good point.
Come on, my turn now, please.
Oh, no. We don't need you getting in no more trouble.
Morning.
Morning, Arthur.
Bom, aqui tem muitas missões pra fazer, galera. Deixa eu dormir um pouco. Ah, tem muitas pessoas conhecidas pra gente visitar aqui. Ah, o Sr. Wasp que a gente conheceu. Arsenal Wasp. Vamos continuar aqui.
All right.
Morning, Arthur.
Everything okay?
Well, I'm still alive.
A próxima vez a gente vai fazer. Vamos dormir aqui. E a carta da Mary. Vamos ver o que tá escrito aqui.
My dear Arthur,
Meu querido
I
Arthur.
hope this letter finds you well.
Ah, Mary.
I wanted to thank you for your help with Jamie. He and Daddy are
Eu e o
still
pai ainda
arguing,
estamos
but
discutindo mais.
I understand that Jamie is
Acho
thinking
que o
about going
Jamie está
back to
pensando em
college.
voltar para a faculdade.
Whatever happens,
Seja logo
I
que
believe
acontecer,
you saved his life and we are all
estamos muito
truly
agradecidos
grateful.
por isso. Ah.
Oh, Arthur.
Oh, Arthur, como eu consegui
I have
transformar
made such
minha
a
vida nessa
mess of
função
my life.
tantas
Time
vezes? Segunda carta de
Why
Mary.
couldn't I change and be the woman I want to be? Why couldn't you change?
Por que você não muda,
Be a
muda
man and put
ser um
down all
homem
those
e por um fim
fantasies that shroud your judgment?
juízo? Ah,
Life is very confusing, and I see now that I'm not very good at it. I'm afraid we've got
sei que estamos
ourselves
envolvidos em
into
outra
another mess.
encrenca.
It's not my fault.
Não é minha
but
culpa,
I
mas
need
preciso da
your
sua
help.
ajuda. Ah, outra
I'm staying
encrenca.
at the Hotel
Estou
Grand in
hospedado no
Saint
Hotel
Denis.
Grand em Saint Denis.
Oh, Arthur.
Marta, sei que eu
I know
pedi a
it is
você.
wrong to ask you,
A Mary, o amor da
but
vida
I
que
have
já era do
nobody
passado,
else,
Arno.
and for what we once had together, I beg of you,
Eu imploro muito. Eu esteja
even though
envergonhado por fazer
I
isso.
am ashamed to do so. Yours, Mary.
Atenciosamente, Mary.
There he is, Arthur.
Peraí, vamos salvar aqui. Vamos ver o que tá escrito aqui. Arthur recebe a segunda carta de Mary Linton. Ah.
Stole a necklace last week from a lady's house in the Mansion District.
I don't like Saint Denis. It scares me. Like a city built on I don't know what.
Built on memories. The whole place is all about memory.
Morning to you.
Good morning. Lies and mud and all things bad since this country was discovered.
Very romantic.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do. Good morning, Arthur.
Mansion still singing.
Another day and we're still alive. Of course we are. Well, anyway, best not tempt fate. Okay.
Mais dia, né?
I was fine. Really, I was. I ate spaghetti.
What?
Oh, it's Italian food. It's... I don't know how to explain.
Was it nice?
Yeah, really nice.
And the people?
They were nice too. Everything was very, well, different.
Ah, o Jack tá contando com o Prefeito com o senhor pronto.
Haven't received anything from you in a while, Mr. Morgan.
More like a palace in a story.
Can't have that pile completely empty.
Our little prince. Well, little prince.
Well, I'll take what I can
begin
get.
reading again.
Thank you.
Mr. Williamson.
Many thanks. Very good. We were getting low. Good job, Mr. Morgan.
Esperar dar um almoço aqui. Nossa, agora tem missão pra caramba pra fazer aqui, hein? Deixa eu ver. Tem missão aqui. Eu tô trilão.
you for your help with Miss Jackson.
Don't mention
Ah,
it.
não, de que, senhor Grimshaw?
You're a fine man, Mr. Morgan. Sometimes, at least.
Thank you. I think. Anyway, I won't disturb you.
See you later.
E aí, Cain?
You okay, boy? Come here. Hello, boy. Hey, boy.
Vamos trabalhar aqui.
Doing a good job there.
You could help, you know.
I'm much more suited to supervisory roles. I'm watching you do that, and can I give you some constructive criticism?
No, you certainly can't.
Keep doing it wrong, then.
É isso aí. Bom, galera, eu acho que a missão principal hoje é nós vir fazer a festa de galo. Continuar na próxima parte. Cuidado dos cavalos, né?
What is wrong with you? I don't like religious types.
Vai.
Ill. Morphine. He's weak. Not ill. Weak. And repellent. Man at his worst, hiding behind a pack of lies.
Senhorita Grimshaw tá brigando com o Thiago. Tá provocando referência ao som.
I bet you were a tiger. In your day. Bye now.
Get up, Reverend. Get up.
How are you doing?
Fica pipa do referência ao som. Vamos fazer essa missão da carroça. Temos aqui o Lenny.
What are we doing so far south, Arthur? I don't like it.
Seems as good a place as any to get chased by the law, Miss Tilly.
You ain't so dumb as that, Arthur. I'm a Negro.
I know. I'll keep you safe, Miss Tilly.
My mama was a slave until she was 15 years old, Arthur.
I'll keep you safe, miss. You have my word. You okay? How are you?
Hey, Arthur.
E aí, Lenny, o que tá fazendo?
What you doing?
Nothing.
I don't believe you.
Não acredito em você.
Just a little robbery.
Roubo de carruagem.
Good.
Good, bom. Que vai roubar uma carruagem.
There's a stage coming through.
Tem uma carruagem
According
pra
to the
cá.
fella I met, it'll have a bunch of money aboard and no security
Vamos lá roubar
whatsoever
então.
as it comes up the river trail between here and Catfish Jackson.
Sítio dos Pagos, Jackson.
Sounds worth investigating. You and,
Sei quem mais.
I don't know.
Eu não sei.
I thought I'd do it on my own. It'll be unprotected.
Mas tá desprotegida.
Take, but I should make out okay.
There ain't no such thing
Mas
as
esse carruagem desprotegida, moleque. Agora vamos.
you want to go with.
Quem você quer ir?
I guess you.
Acho que com você. Agora?
I don't need no hand-holding offer.
Oh, come on.
Ó,
kid.
garoto, vamos lá.
If we decide to do it once we've had a look, I'm taking half the money.
All right, let's get going then. It should be on its way right now. It seems like only yesterday you and me were shooting our way in here to rob those fools.
Pra roubar o banco, né?
Yeah, I know.
Vamos lá, Lenny.
Leave this place behind, if I'm honest. Got a bad feel to it.
At least it's got a roof.
You've got a roof. Of course, I'm outside with the juniors.
Oh, you ain't even 20 years old. Your time will come.
Bom, vamos na carruagem, vamos lá.
Follow me. I saw a good spot for an ambush.
Who's the fella told you about this?
It's a sound lead. I told
A pista boa, eu te disse.
What do you have to gain by giving you this information?
you. mean that I give him money or gun? You're just gonna have to trust me on this one, Arthur.
Vamos lá, Lenny. Roubar a carruagem, vamos lá.
You more improved yourself the past 6 months?
Don't forget, I was on the run for murder before falling in with you boys.
Nem antes de encontrar vocês.
Ain't like I'm
Ele era foragido por assassinato, ué.
good at any of this.
Those fellas who killed your pa?
Yep. And I'd do it again right now.
Of course.
Of course.
You okay, boy?
Onde que tá essa carruagem, Lenny?
Okay, here we are. Let's leave the horses off the road to the right.
Vamos roubar aqui perto da Fazenda Great.
I figured we take some position behind these rocks.
Yeah, seems good.
The stage should be coming up the river from Catfish Jackson any time now.
Sítio dos Bacos, tá saindo. Ah, aqui deve ser, né? Coloca a bandana.
There it is. And I don't see no escorts neither. This should be a cakewalk.
Are you sure about that?
You see any? As soon as they're close enough, we'll jump out, hit them fast.
Just wait for my lead, okay?
Não, seu idiota.
Dad, wait for my lead.
This is a robbery. Drop your weapons and put your hands in the air. I said drop the weapon. Okay, okay. Just take it easy. All right, boy. Anyone else? Anyone inside there? Answer me. Last chance.
Vem, seu idiota.
Come out or we're coming in. Shit. U.S. Marshals, you're under arrest.
Armadilha. É uma armadilha, eu sabia.
You alive?
Você tá vivo?
Are you?
Evidently.
That was not the way I was expecting things to go.
Foi tudo uma armadilha.
Look, I'm telling you, it was good information. Wait.
Ah, espera.
Look.
Olha.
Got some money here. Not much.
Yeah, ain't much.
E não é grande coisa, porque era uma armadilha.
Stage companies do
As
this
empresas de
all.
carruagem fazem isso sempre.
Set up traps to catch fools.
Ah, shit.
You and me.
Com você e eu.
Well, that's good, because you are a fool. You're still alive.
Mas ainda tá vivo, então não se preocupe muito com isso.
Well, get out of here before
Vai sair
anyone
daqui antes que
turns up.
apareça
All right.
mais.
See you back at camp.
É uma armadilha.
Yep. What? Idiot.
Ah, eu vou pra Rhodes pagar minha recompensa.
Come on. Hey, mister.
Tá escrito aqui. Privado, área privada. Ah.
Yep.
É igual aqui em primeira pessoa. Horn.
Yep.
Será que aquele cara do Gavin vai aparecer aqui? Gavin!
Hi there, mister.
Hi there.
Vai tá aqui, ó.
Yeah, I'm still here, mister. I'll be keeping my eye on you this time. Don't test me again.
I've been thinking. If you knew bounty hunters was coming, why didn't you run?
I've done my running. I just thought, after all that time, maybe I'd be forgiven.
You don't feel like much of a country for forgiveness.
Don't let me see you anytime soon, yeah?
Fine.
Vou dormir no hotel mais próximo aqui. Vou terminar a live. E a gameplay de hoje que já...
That's it for now.
Ai, ai.
So long. So, how's it going?
Ai, ai.
Hey, partner. I like the men who work hard.
Oh, peraí, pô, nós vamos pagar a nossa recompensa.
Just lazing about, huh?
What the hell did you just say?
Back to work. I can hire a whole new crew. God almighty! How do you do?
Welcome back. Got some bills to pay, huh?
Pagar a recompensa pra minha cabeça, né?
Look at you. You're pathetic, my friend.
No.
Well, look at you. Now look me in the eye. Hello. Look at you.
Oh, come on.
Easy. Whoa, whoa. There, boy. There. Shh. My God. Look at you fools.
What'd you say?
Calm down. Well, at least you got each other. Nobody else wants to deal with you. You want to deal?
Ah, provoquei. Vamos provocar de novo as pessoas aqui, vai ver.
Hey, partner.
Oh, great.
Jesus, you idiots are welcome to each other.
You don't know me. Don't be like that.
Oh, okay. Keep your hair on.
So I can go about my business then?
Where did you folks meet? The freak show?
Hey, who do you think I am? Can't
I'm
go.
talking.
Keep going. I'd love to see you die. I thought.
Shut it. Take it easy. I ain't serious. Hey, I'm just glad you found each other.
Leave me be.
Look around. This is where you die. And I thought it was all set to dance. Hello.
Okay there?
Eu quero só provocar aqui, galera, antes de coisar, tô adorando.
Let me take a look at you, tough guy.
Come on in. You're as good as Barry, cocksucker. Yeah.
Ah, vocês estão atirando, né? Peraí.
It's the man that brought me in.
Hey, holding up in there.
I'm a dead man walking. I only got about 6 foot of space to do it in. But boy, you think he'll handle all this?
I don't know. Gonna be hard.
Sure will be. I don't like this.
Limpar minha arma.
Evening, mister.
Fine weather we got.
Have a good evening, mister.
I go to hell.
Who do you think you are?
I didn't ask you to talk to me.
Last chance to apologize.
Take it easy. I'm just needling you.
I'm sick of idiots like
You're actually real dumb, ain't you? You folks are really spoiling
I'm gonna
the
give
view.
you the beating your dad should have
Hell,
done.
wait for me!
Yeah. Whoa, now.
I ain't stopping till you're dead.
You ain't...
Fists up. Let's go.
Wasting my time.
Well, that's something new.
Quem mandou se meter comigo?
Come on
Cusão.
now, boy. Well, now, you should take a look at yourself. Hey, folks.
Olha ele lá.
You're a chump, Hardin. I'll get back.
Hey, stupid. Bet you weren't ready for this.
Yeah.
Quer uma hora sua?
Let's make this quick. Who's talking now, huh?
Pronto, agora não levanta mais. Vamos lá. Vamos dormir aqui, galera. Ah, porra.
Which one was that again? Slayer named Donkey. I saw him twitching right before he could blink. There was a hole in his chest you could ride a horse through.
How many does that make it?
Oh, I lost count years ago. Ain't
like
nobody
you.
else left out there with a
Those
draw
are
like
carrots.
mine. Watch this.
Evening.
Anybody here reckon they can beat me in a duel? The hell you
know what? I think you're full of shit. So why don't we go outside?
Ah, duel.
Now isn't the best time. I just ordered another drink.
But you're the fastest draw in the West. Hello, friend. I don't mean to pry, but well, you look like something of rough and tumble type.
You want some company?
You're gonna regret this.
Oh, you stepped in it, friend.
Relax, I'll go easy on him.
Yeah?
É duelo de pistola.
Stranger? Oh, this is gonna be one hell of a show.
I didn't see that coming.
Oh, que desgraçado! Dormi até de manhã, vamos lá. Hotel em Rhodes. Galera, já vou acabar por aqui. Peço para mais uma vez, deixa um like, não vai custar nada. Participe da comunidade Discord. Participe da Twitch, vamos fechar por aqui. O prefeito Saint Denis, mansão. Ai meu Deus, agora eu posso dizer que já fiz de tudo. Fui numa baile, tal. Quer me ver de novo, Mary? Como fomos idiotas, como eu sou idiota. Vamos lá. Bom, galera, vou me despedir nessa